Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. So guess what? I am finally having this video put up. Oh my goodness, it's been forever. This video is actually the reason why my computer crashed and I had to put YouTube on pause for quite some time. But anyway, I broke this video down into 3 segments, and this first segment here will be focusing on draping and draping only, and then we'll move the pattern onto paper, and then from there we'll sew it up and put it all together. But for this part here, it's mainly going to be music, so definitely follow along. The fabric here is actually on bias. Whenever whenever you are draping, your fabric definitely has to be on bias, just so that it would flow better. This is a simple 100% cotton, just so that I can mark it and drape it and mold it to where I need it to be. So simply follow along. If you have any questions, definitely drop your questions down below. I'll be more than happy to answer, or you could find me on Instagram. If you have not subscribed to this channel, do so. What are you waiting on? Yes. All right, here we go.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
So you guys, we are getting to the end here. We need to wrap it up. Before you take your drape off of the dress form, make sure that you have all of your markings in place. So that's your apex, your center front, waistline, side seam, shoulder mark as to where that arm opening is going to be. Make sure you have your center back, even though the back of the dress is not going to be meeting the center back. All of those landmarks, all of those markings, they have to be there, because once you transfer it to paper, it is extremely hard, trust me, to realign it if you missed a mark. So our next video will be focusing on that. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. Comment and share the video for others that may be in need of assistance with draping, just so that they can get some pointers too. I thank you in advance for your support, and I will see you next time.